Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Chantel. I'm a travel agent and also a professional makeup artist, but as the title can tell, it's my travel agency's 1 year anniversary. So let's get into this. I'll tell you guys how I started, why I started, and how is it going, and where I want to be with this agency in the future. So I started my travel agency last year, November 16th, 2024. So it was something I had in the back of my mind since I came from Panama. I came from Panama in October, and I was like, yeah, I need to start a travel agency because I used to travel. I started traveling from 7 years old, right? The first place I went to was Curacao. And a lot of you may not know where Curacao is, but Curacao is just north Venezuela and yeah, north of Venezuela. So it's more going towards the South America. All right. So that was my first place, and the first time I traveled, it was with me and I think my two other cousins, I think. But anyways, fast track. I started going to Curacao like for holidays repeatedly because that's where my mother lives. All right. Got the experience there. Loved traveling. Loved Curacao, but I stopped traveling after I had my daughter. So, 10 years past, haven't left Jamaica for 10 years, skin start itch, you want travel, want so many things. But yes, I took that trip to Panama last year for my birthday, and I was like, yes, I'm back in traveling, I want to keep doing this. But I didn't know where to start, I didn't know how to start, I did not know what to do. Because when I started researching online, like how to start a travel agency, it was so overwhelming there. And then when I found out that, okay, it's easier to go through a host agency, I started reaching out to other persons that I saw online, doing their travel business. A lot of them didn't respond, and I was like, what the hell? So I didn't know what to do. I remember I reached out to two persons first. One of them didn't read the message, and I was like, okay, let me try somebody else. And I DM'd somebody on Instagram, and she responded to me, but she wasn't like telling me, say, not like what to do or anything. She was like, well, to become a travel agency, you have to do this, blah, blah, blah. I was like, okay, then this is not helping. Clearly, you don't want to help me. So I said, okay, then let me figure it out. And then I checked around, and I got assistance from somebody else. So she is my sponsor. I'll dive into that after. Anyways, so I started my travel agency. I didn't have the money up front. That's the funniest part. It wasn't a lot of money to get into it though. Getting into the travel business, like how I went into it, it wasn't hard. So when I reached out to her, she told me all the details that I needed, blah blah blah, the cost and whatever. So I said, okay, cool, let me do it this way, go through a host agency, since it requires like a limited capital to start up, limited overhead. Well, there's no overheads, technically just internet. So I was like, okay, then I can do this. I didn't have the money, and I was working at the time. Work never, the pay never made a sense. So I said, okay, so get this, I won $200, right, in the award that I received. Let me show you. So a lot of you guys may know I won this award, right? And with this award, the prize was $200. So I took that $200 and invested in my business. So that wasn't a bad idea, and I am grateful to this day that I actually took that initiative. So I decided that I want to start my travel business, and then there was the money. Normally I would have used that money and probably like, buy stuff for my daughter or probably buy grocery or something. But I was like, okay, money belly for a few months and tough it out. So I did that. I got into the travel business, and at first I did not know what the hell I was doing. I was depressed. I didn't get clients for the first 6 months. 6 months? I think so, yeah. So I waited a long time. A lot of people like had persons coming in. A lot of things move faster for some people, things move slow for some people. So I was just one of those people who had a longer wait time based on the discussions I had with other people. Some people get clients quick. For me, so basically I was just putting my foot in the water and just getting started. It wasn't easy. Sometimes I felt like giving up. I felt frustrated. A lot of people just reached out to me, and basically they just wasted my time. People just reach out, and then I was just starting out, so I didn't know that you know, sometimes you can filter out your clients, like who is actually buying from you, who is actually doing business from you. But everybody that requested a quote or a travel quote, I was just excited because, like, okay, this is a prospect, maybe I can convert them into a paying customer. But then it's not every customer is a customer. I did not know that at the time. But anyways, I did that, and then I got my first client, and from I got my first client, I said things just start go and go and go. But I am so extremely grateful. I am extremely grateful for the clients that I have, the repeat clients, the people that will refer me to other people. Like, jeez, I feel so good. I have so much gratitude to all of you guys. I could not do this if you guys didn't trust me, but it's something that, you know, I've always wanted to do it. And if you guys want to become a travel agent as well, I can help you. I'll just show you the ropes, tell you what to do, and it's not a hard thing. So don't get you know, don't let the fear take over in your head. All right, so I did that and started promoting. Promotion was a thing because the travel market is like every crevice and corner there's a travel agency, but you just have to stand out. And for me, like when I started, I was like reviewing other person's business. So like I will check out this agency and see what they're doing, what is working, and try to find a way how I can, you know, how I can navigate myself based on what they are doing. But long after that, I realized that that just was not working for me. So I decided to just do what I can do best because I already have the travel knowledge. I have the hospitality experience because I have a bachelor's degree in tourism, hospitality, and entertainment management. I mean, this is not rocket science. It's not anything new to me. And I've been booking people before actually doing it professionally. So I was like, this can't be that hard. But then again, there are slow periods. There are times when you know, you're not gonna get a booking. So for me, it was just like finding a way around to navigate that. But I'm so happy. I'm really excited that it's been 1 year, and I'm so eager to see where it's gonna go in the future. And I know so many great things are coming up because we are going to venture out into other stuff, maybe doing a few workshops. So it's not just gonna be about selling travel. We're going to be teaching persons about budgeting, how to travel as a solo traveler. So many things are going to come out of this. So it's not just for me, guys. It's not just for me to build a business. It's about me building a business with you and giving back to you. So you'll get back value. You guys know that you can always DM me. Like, I literally respond to every DM that I get on Instagram, whether them stupid or not. Stupid meaning like totally not related to travel. Yes. So once you respond, reach out to me about anything travel related, just know that I'm gonna respond to you. If you ask me for a quotation, you know you're gonna get it. Anything you need, travel guides, I'll freely give you a travel guide because sometimes I just sit down and just put them together for myself. So sharing them with you is nothing to me. So starting the business, guys, that's how I started. How I maneuver slow periods. Marketing the business is one of the most challenging part because you have to be up to date with trends in the travel industry, and the travel industry is changing every single day. Like for me, waking up every day and reading like Travel Weekly or Travel and Leisure and those travel related news outlets. So I read those daily, religiously, so I can be aware of airport updates, destination updates, hotel updates. You know, so if you guys ask me anything, I should know. I'm the one that's advising you, so I should know. So yes, that's how I started. That's where we're at the moment. And as I mentioned, we're gonna go into further things in terms of like workshop and, you know, just build a skill, build on everything that you guys need to build on. So that's it for me today that's just it for me today in this video, and I'm excited to share this journey with you guys. Persons ask me about group trips, but every time I put them together and start promoting them, the feedback is like always. So I don't know how I feel about promoting any more group trips. I have one at the moment for Brazil because I'll be going to Brazil for Rio Carnival. But if you guys want to come with me, you are free to come. It's an open trip, open invitation. So you can reach out to me and ask me, Chantel, is still a Brazil next year for Brazil Carnival? And I'll say yes. And if you want to come, you tell me, say you have your money ready, and then we'll book you. That's just it. But promoting group trips are kind of taking a backseat on that part. So other than that, guys, that's a wrap for today, and I'll catch you in the next video. And if you need to ask me anything, always shoot me a DM, or my information, my contact information is in the description, so you guys can reach me by phone or email, DM, as I mentioned. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.